For sales and installation, please contact Vertical Doors Incorporated.
Alright, so I'm here with Eric and his Dodge Magnum, and you've had these vertical doors on this car for how long?
16 years.
Wow, that's a long time. And what do you think about them?
That's pretty cool mod. Everybody, when they see it, they go, whoa. It's kind of an over-the-top thing. I thought it was kind of played out at first, but every show you get out, you let them up, the reaction's still the same.
Yeah, and that's what I noticed too. Everybody loves these doors. So this is a pretty pimped out car. It's really awesome. So how many trophies have you won?
Oh, I have a little collection at home. I don't know. I stopped counting.
Nice, nice. And then just tell everybody, what did you come in for today?
I came in for a shock replacement. The shock's been on there for so long, and they were weak. The doors are really heavy, so it was time to change them out and make it back like new.
Right on. And it's good as new out now, right?
Yes, sir.
And then out of all these years that you've had it, what maintenance really have you had to do?
Nothing. Just this shock replacement in 16 years. That's it.
All right, you hear that? These kits are reliable. They last a long time, and they win you trophies. So thank you for bringing it in.
All right. Thanks for fixing us up.
Absolutely.
Like, share, subscribe, and tag. Hundreds of models available. For sales and installation, please contact Vertical Doors Incorporated.